Hello everybody, Christian Garibay here with Gym Supply Company. Here at Gym Supply, we understand that pruning is tough, tedious, and intensive. That's why we've partnered with Felco to bring you the best pruning tools. The Felco 822 corded, Swiss-made electric pruning shears make pruning faster and easier, saving you time and energy while reducing labor costs. These shears are powerful and can cut wood up to 1.8 inches in diameter, making them suitable for pruning vineyards and young trees. The Felco 822 kit includes a lightweight and compact power pack that holds the battery, and it can be worn up to 5 different positions. The rechargeable battery provides a full day of pruning without causing strain or user fatigue. The pruner can easily be managed using the Felco application on a smartphone or tablet. The app provides data such as the number of cuts, battery life, and also allows you to manage the tool settings. Gym Supply has 6 locations throughout California and the Pacific Northwest. If you'd like to learn more about the Felco 822 pruning kit, contact us today to request a demo.